Hello everyone, I am Dr. Mamta Wadhil, a practicing vitreoretina and cataract surgeon. In retina, there are obviously many blood vessels. Because of high blood pressure, the blood vessel wall starts getting weakened and it gets more, atherosclerotic. When we say atherosclerotic, it means it is one is because of aging, your blood vessel becomes, rigid, or because of high cholesterol, high lipids, high, bad cholesterol, especially LDL, VLDL. They can cause, blockage of your thin blood vessel, and then it can lead to either vascular occlusion or it can lead to retinal occlusion, retinal artery occlusion as well. When we talk about retinal vein occlusion, it is a part of your blood vessel which has, occluded a part of your blood vessel in your retina, and hence that particular retina is not getting a proper blood supply and is causing edema now, swelling and hemorrhages. Depending upon, again, the position where the blockage has happened, it can be treated either with injections or lasers. And suppose it is retinal artery occlusion. I always tell patients, suppose all of a sudden from good vision, if patient has landed up in perception of light vision, sudden drop in vision, always go on time, because if it is a central retinal artery occlusion, first couple of few hours are very, very, very important for your eyes. It is something like heart attack. This is an eye attack, what I tell always to the patient. So timely intervention will definitely help in saving your vision in that particular eye. So as I said, blood pressure, that means you have to control your blood pressure to avoid all these complications which are happening in your eye because of high blood pressure. Restrict your salt intake, restrict your oily substance intake. Your health is very important. Keep your weight to standard at your age. It should never be overweight, because overweight leads to all these diseases like blood pressure and diabetes. So weight management is very important. In crux, I would say that all the disease that happens in retina are mostly related to the system of your body. If your body's system is not well under control, you will get something in your eye, right? Like diabetes, blood pressure. All these are something which is related to your body, but they can cause your vision issue. They can cause vision issue, and they can, you can land up in complete blindness also if not taken care of on time.
Follow Center for Sight and post your queries to get answers from the experts.